What's up, everyone? So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you what it is that I actually do and kind of how I got into doing this. So today I'm coming to you from my desk in my kind of home office here in Tallinn. And one thing that a few of you have been asking me, and I realize that I haven't actually shared with too many of you, is what is it that I actually do? And I guess, like, how did I get into doing this? So this YouTube channel, as I said in the last couple of videos, I'm going to be sharing with you things like tips and tricks videos, how-tos, business, like behind the scenes business stuff. But I also want to share with you a little bit more about my story, because I know that a few of you are interested in that too. So what is it that I do is a very good question, and something that people ask me a lot of the time. So I run my own digital marketing agency. We're called Hey Digital, and we focus on helping SaaS and software businesses basically generate more customers. And we do that through working with them on paid advertising campaigns, so Facebook ads campaigns. We work with them on social media management and content distribution. And we also do some lead generation for them too. So that is my kind of main business. We're a digital marketing agency. And I also offer some consulting services to these companies too. So because of my previous experience within the industry, a few companies want to work like one-to-one with me and get me to coach them and consult them and help their teams rather than just actually actioning the work ourselves. So I'll come in and work with some of these businesses, give them some advice, and then help their team go away and action the advice that I give them. And then the kind of second or third thing that I do, or that I'm just starting to do, is now working with other entrepreneurs and business owners, freelancers who are looking to build out their own personal brand, grow their own personal brand to grow their business. And I'm offering some like one-to-one coaching time with people like that too. So that's how I kind of generate revenue, what it is that I do, and where the money comes from. Now, how I got into this is quite a long story, and I won't go through the whole story today, but I only set up my own business about 6 months ago now, of course, depending on when you're watching this, but in the middle part of 2018, in May, I set up my own business. And before that, I was actually working for a startup as a remote worker. So I worked within business development and growth for a company called Leadfeeder. And they were a remote company. So for the year or so that I worked for them, I was actually traveling all around Europe and some other parts of the world whilst working, because the whole team was split across the world, all based in different locations. So I worked for that company for about a year. Before that, I worked for a company called Hootsuite. Some of you might know them, especially if you're in the social media marketing space or you run an agency yourself. You've probably used Hootsuite. So I worked for those guys, again, for about a year or so. And then before that, I had a number of different sales and recruitment jobs. So I come from like a sales background, and I then worked for a couple of tech companies, worked remotely for one company for a year, which is why I spent a lot of time traveling around the world over the last year or so. And then in the middle part of 2018, I set up Hey Digital, my agency, and decided to start building my own business. So in short, that's me, that's what I do, that's how I make my money, and that's the business that I run. If any of you have any questions about that or want to hear a bit more about like what that process has been like, then please let me know in the comments section below this video. And also I'm keen to learn more from you guys what it is that you are doing. So let me know in the comments below this video what kind of businesses you run, what kind of businesses you want to run, and also what kind of additional YouTube videos you want to be seeing from me. Because the first few, I'm just completely mixing it up. I'm throwing in some guides, some videos like this. So I want to learn from you guys what it is that you want to see. And I can't wait to hear from you all. So let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will see a few more like this coming up in the future.